Pumpkin, you be careful. Don't you fall in that river. We'd lose you.
Careful, Precious.
This one fell. I have to see if I can get it. Whoa.
Here, don't get the zoomies right now. No, we're not getting the zoomies right here.
So we're down at the end of where our UTV path is, where we had the little sitting bench. And this is the creek as it sits right now, but you can tell how all those grasses are bent over, that it was at least up that high. All this pile got washed down. This was where we crossed over the creek and walked up there. All this brush right here, all this compost now has been washed down. I think these two trees were not here. So one of them must have fallen over, and you can tell on the top of that tree all the brush and stuff. So that means the water was at least that high. So you can tell through here, all of this is laid down where the water was rushing over here. So the water was at least this high. And this was the little path we took right here to the deal. This tree used to not be here. It's either got washed down, which I think, because look at all this. I mean, that was not there. I think this log wasn't here. This all got washed down the river, or down the creek, I should say. And we used to have a sitting bench right here. And this is where Wayne and Sherry took their picture, and we no longer have a bench. It washed our bench away. So right about in there is how high this river was at one point. Or creek. I keep calling it a river. I don't know why I call it a river. It's a river right now. It ain't no creek. So you can see all this was underwater. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. So while I was thinking this creek didn't get that high, it did. It got at least up to that tree line right there. Okay, that's good to know. Now I need to make us another bench.